You change your voice tone, you change the vocabulary, you become fake. That's the first mistake I will prefer.
How do you describe becoming fake?
Every day when you speak with your friends, this is how you speak.
Yes.
Now you get on stage or you want to speak before an audience, whether it's on a virtual platform, and say, "Sir, ladies and gentlemen, today," that's not you. I call it conference speak. Why are you doing that? Why are you all of a sudden using a voice that's not your natural voice? Why are you all of a sudden using accent that is not your natural accent? It will mess you up.
You know, what I'm thinking on this is that I listen to this guy a lot. There's this guy that they call Vin, something like that.
Yes.
He talks about your voice, why your voice being an instrument, that even if you apply it at a stage or in a place and you try to change it or tweak it, that doesn't make it fake. That what you are doing is you're trying to use your instrument in a perfect way possible.
Do it every day, not only on stage.
Okay.
Else it becomes fake and it will mess you up. Because audiences are like sharks where there's blood. We can smell nonsense. We smell blood. You, Denise, when you hear somebody who is not being real, you can tell. You can't tell what it is, but you can tell this person is. We're human, we can tell. And that's the first point of disconnection. That's the opposite of rapport. You've turned off, not on. So if that voice is to be used in different capacities, strengths, waves, speeds, do it every day.
Yeah.
Don't wait until you're in front of an audience. It will fall your hand. It is who you become every day. So even as an instrumentalist, it's not when you have a performance that you start tuning your guitar or your keyboard. What do you do almost every day? You spend at least 30 minutes to 1 hour scoring. You play, you twist. Let me twist this. Then the day you are going to perform before everybody, it's your everyday. Come on, Asha. There is fire on the mountain. She doesn't do practice on stage. When you are practicing on stage, we can tell. We don't need to be professionals to tell. So that's your first problem. Don't fall into the trap of becoming a professional on stage. Become your best version on stage, who you are every day. So you see, live every day as your best. Remember why the grave remains one of the richest places, because we save our best for special occasions. The best should be used every day. That's what Bing Yang is trying to say. That's what Joyce Daniels is also saying. So that when you get on stage, it is the you that is authentic that shows up.
Stage should be for performing, not for practice.
Not for practice. And performance that is beautiful comes from a place of long hours of practice. Somebody who has practiced to play in an orchestra for 6 months, following the same rhythm, the moment you give them the violin, they flow into it. This is not practice, this is performance. So don't practice on stage. Mistake number 2 will be not understanding your audience. Don't assume. Many times we assume that because you're speaking to an audience that is aged this to this, if you use this kind of terms, it's fine. No, go deeper. That they are what you might call Gen Z or millennial doesn't mean that this thing is appealing to them. Find out. When